Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to add music on Facebook stories. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, to add stories on Facebook, you need your Facebook app. Over here you can see here's my Facebook app. I'll tap on this and now you can see this is the interface of Facebook. Now I'll tap on this create story. For now, I'll tap on this demo picture. On the right side, you can see here's music. Tap on this music and over here you can find different musics over here. You can also search over here for musics. I'll search for Bruno Mars. You can see here are different musics to choose with. I'll choose this, it will run. Just tap on this and our music is added to our story. Now to post this, just tap on this here. And now you can see my story is being posted with music. So in this way we can add music on Facebook stories. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.